subscribers, my name is John Stransky with MarineMax Osage Beach. I'd like to show you how this 2018 250 SLX can build memories with you and your family for years to come. Starting here on the swim platform, it has the upgraded gray sea deck, allows your passengers a comfortable walk and an elegant look. In addition, the back of the boat has loungers that you can sit and enjoy coving out with rear-facing speakers and 4 cup holders. In addition to the seating, there's also storage for your bumpers underneath. And all your ties. As you walk through the transom, again, the upgraded sea deck with a convenient located cooler in the floor, saving room for you and your passengers and gear. Let's work our way into the boat. As you walk through the transom, you've got an 8-foot wide beam that allows plenty of room for you and your passengers and all the gear that you need. The upgraded sports tower allows all of your friends, family to tube and ski. Have you ever forgot that air compressor? Well, we have you covered. We've got one included with the boat so you can inflate all your tubes and your water toys as you move along the lake. As you work your way towards the helm area, both the port chair and the captain's chair swivel to allow you to enjoy the conversation with people in the back of the boat. This also has a head included, which allows those emergencies on the lake. And also, if you're done coving out and done on the day on the lake, you can also allow your women on the boat to get down, freshen up, and change clothes if they need to go to a lakeside restaurant. This boat comes with an upgraded stereo system. The Rockford Fosgate has plenty of speakers for you and your friends to listen to your tunes while you're traveling on the boat. In addition, it has a 2-zone amp volume, so you can turn up the volume on your tunes for the people coving out, and also keep the volume down low in the cockpit so your friends and family can listen and talk. Let's work our way to the bow. The bow has plenty of room for seating. The lounge chairs have armrests, about 6 foot tall. Allows you plenty of room up here and additional storage as well. If you'd like to learn more about how this boat can provide you plenty of memories on the lake, my name is John Stransky again. My number is 573-606-3092. I look forward to seeing you on the lake.